Cooking isn't just about sustenance, it's a creative outlet, an exploration of flavors, and an opportunity to craft memorable moments. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle, a culinary marvel, steps onto the stage with a promise to revolutionize your cooking experience. Its ingenious design, seamless versatility, and powerful performance make it a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, this appliance is your gateway to culinary greatness. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle, 8 serving. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Picture a kitchen gadget that adapts to your every culinary whim. Now open your eyes to the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle. Its unique reversible cooking plates, Griddle-Smooth on one side and ridged for grilling on the other, offer an array of cooking styles at your fingertips. With the ability to switch between a full griddle, or a harmonious half grill and half griddle configuration, this appliance embodies versatility in its truest form. A symphony of flavors in every meal. Bid farewell to the limitations of traditional cooking appliances and welcome the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle as your ultimate kitchen companion. Begin your day by preparing a sumptuous breakfast of pancakes, sausage, and eggs on the griddle side, setting the stage for a day of culinary triumphs. As lunchtime approaches, effortlessly transition to grilling burgers while toasting buns on the griddle, creating a harmony of flavors that elevate your ordinary lunch to a gourmet experience. When dinner calls, embrace the low-carb lifestyle by grilling succulent steak and vibrant vegetables, crafting a masterpiece that delights the senses. Unleash the power of culinary innovation. Behind its sleek exterior lies the heartbeat of culinary innovation. Armed with 1,400 watts of power, the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle boasts 2 separate cooking zones, each with independent controls. This symphony of power and precision ensures your creations are infused with the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and tenderness. The adjustable temperature, reaching up to 425 degrees, puts the reins of culinary artistry firmly in your hands. Designed for the culinary enthusiast, whether you're cooking for a family gathering or indulging in a solo culinary adventure, this griddle is the embodiment of versatility. With 180 square inches of non-stick cooking surface, you have the canvas to craft family-sized feasts or intimate gastronomic indulgences. Embrace the joy of cooking complete meals without the constraints of conventional skillets. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle ensures every meal is a celebration of taste and togetherness. Effortless cleanup, culinary excellence. In the pursuit of culinary excellence, the aftermath can be daunting. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle, however, transforms cleanup into a breeze. The dishwasher-safe double-sided cooking plates seamlessly transition from kitchen masterpiece to sparkling clean, while the drip tray can be effortlessly placed in the dishwasher's top rack. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing and soaking. This appliance respects your time and energy. Craft your culinary symphony. Cooking isn't just a task, it's an expression of love, passion, and creativity. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle is your ally in this culinary journey, adapting to your desires and enhancing every dish with its versatile functionality. Whether you're a gourmet explorer, a comfort food connoisseur, or a health-conscious chef, this appliance beckons you to unleash your culinary prowess and create symphonies of flavor that resonate with every bite. Elevate your cooking experience today. Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a culinary haven? The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle awaits your command. Embrace its innovative design, savor its versatile features, and elevate your cooking to an art form. This appliance isn't just a kitchen addition, it's a gateway to a world of flavors, creativity, and culinary excellence.